What's going on YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades, where I bring you daily AMC technical analysis, price predictions, and of course the latest greatest news. It would be absolutely amazing if you would all hit that like button and also subscribe. So guys, green day on the books, traded moderately flat for a majority of the trading day today, which is really great to see. And really, we are confirming this $37 support line beautifully. So I love to see this, guys. Before we jump into today's video, guys, drop some comments, drop the gorilla emojis, drop some diamond hands, guys. Let everyone know that you guys are still holding like absolute gorillas out there, guys. All right. So, interesting video I have for you today, guys. Stumbled upon an article online kind of revealing that the AMC stock price is at least right now $8,000. And this is actually some old data too. So 8,000 is something that I think is actually pretty low compared to what the real price may be right now. So definitely stay tuned until the end so we do run in and cover that. But all right, for the quick TA, guys, we're just going to be looking at the one-day chart. Really, not much happened today. Relatively green, but that's fine. Closed relatively close to the high of the day, but the big thing that everyone is talking about is the Amc-The, guys. Look at this. So, of course, what we look for in the Amc-The is bullish reversals, aka crossovers. So what we want is this orange line here to cross over the blue line, and this will start our next bullish run up. And as you guys can see, really it started, I would say, 719 when this became flat, and has literally been flat for just a couple of days now. So if we can get some more momentum to trade in, have a nice healthy crossover, this will bring us back into the range that we were seeing in late June. So I would love to see that. And of course, guys, we can actually even come up here and retest all-time highs. And of course, this isn't gonna happen tomorrow, guys. It is gonna take a little bit of time to play out, but we are almost getting there. Also, down at the RSI, guys, we can see that we're currently at 46.39 and making our way back up into the 50 range. And as I always say, guys, 50 on the RSI scale, anything above that is bullish, below 50 is bearish. So we're making moves back up into the 50 range. Amc-The is looking great. And guys, this is, from a technical perspective, looking really good. And I don't want you all to just throw out TA completely from the equation, because the TA is what day traders, swing traders, momentum traders, whatever kind of trader is looking at. So if we have a healthy chart, it's going to bring in more volume, which of course is going to help our movement. Anyways, guys, one really interesting thing that's been going on was some new regulations that have been going through. So Cringe Kitten, this guy actually posts some really great information on Twitter, so definitely drop him a follow, guys. And if you're not following me on Twitter yet, follow me at Dave Trades Daily. I am posting just about 2-3 times a day on that. So anyways, guys, some new bills that are going on. HR 4617, investigation in consideration to ban PFOF in the US due to conflicts of interest. And guys, payment for order flow, if you guys don't know what that is, that's how a lot of these free investment apps are doing it, and especially Robinhood, and how they're really getting away with murder. So that would be huge to see that, guys. And of course, we have a couple other ones that we're just going to cover very quickly. HR 4618, criminal penalties for front-running the market. Maximum of 5 years of imprisonment, including 2x your annual salary fine for 1 to 3 years. So guys, I mean, we've seen some of the slaps on the wrist that have been going around lately, where a hedge fund that makes billions, if not even trillions of dollars a year, has to pay a $1 to $2 million fine. Obviously, that's bullshit. To us, sure, that's a lot of money, but to these people, that is nothing. And they're actually making more committing the crime than the fine they have to pay, which is ridiculous. So to see that the SEC and other regulatory bodies are actually stepping up some of the fines for what's going on in the market, I really like to see that. And then HR 4619, regular reports on 13F filings shall be filed within 10 days. So that is another really big point. And of course, guys, I did post a video. This is probably going back weeks ago now, where we looked at the 13F for Citadel Securities. And what did we find? Just their put contracts alone equated to more to the entire float of AMC, guys. So more regularly reported 13F filings is definitely going to be really healthy, because the everyday investor can go in, just like you and I, can go in and see what companies are holding what changes are going on in the background, legit every 10 days. So that is really, really cool to see, guys. And of course, just a little summary here. These bills need to get passed before the SEC can take action. Regardless, this looks really good. And of course, guys, you can check out the bills that are pending approval here at this website here. So definitely give that a read, guys, if you have some time. All right, on to the last bit of information, guys. So this is a Reddit article, that I will post in the comments section below. Definitely check this out. But guys, the real AMC price, non-synthetic, is $8,010. Now, how the hell are we getting this? So what we're doing is we're taking the shares divided by the entire holding. So of course you can see the price here divided by the shares, price divided by shares, price divided by shares. So these are 3 different instances, all 13 Fs where this information is coming from. Of course, the source is Fintel, and we're getting $8,000, guys. Absolutely insane information. And I know a lot of people are probably going to bash this video just because of this information. But guys, this is a 13F filing. Of course, we know there are a boatload of synthetic shares, and actually this does make a lot more sense than you may think here. And with AMC, I really think that we're overcomplicating all of this stuff. It really is so simple, guys. Short positions are over leveraged and they have to cover their positions. Until they cover their positions, we are not selling. And until they cover their positions, they are going to be bleeding money out the you-know-what. So guys, that's really all it is. But of course, this is really interesting. But the most interesting part, and I don't know if it does have the dates in here, but guys, this is actually 13F filings from April. So we're talking months ago, guys. So months ago, $8,000. But guys, look at what's going on here. Look at all of this shorting that went on, literally from $63 all the way down to $31. So guys, that gives me reason to believe that this number right here is actually much higher right now, which is just absolutely crazy, guys. Imagine waking up one day in the very near future and seeing AMC trading at $8,000 a share. I know my tits are going to be insanely jacked, and I hope everyone else is as pumped as I am, guys. So really take this with a grain of salt, because right now, yes, the price of AMC is $37, but behind the scenes, guys, there is so much information being passed around the internet. And guys, now the AMC GME movement is being talked about on LinkedIn, which is a bunch of professional people. So the word's getting out, the government's taking action, the SEC, the DTCC are passing all these new rules and regulations because they're preparing for the shit show that's about to go on. So guys, my last thought for you all, don't overcomplicate things. Take your time, read DD, and trust the process. As long as you can do those 3 things, you'll be totally fine, and we are going to make out like freaking bandits. All right, guys, that's all I have for today's video. Definitely be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content, and tune in for the next one. Peace.